another day of my coffee routine. First thing, turn off my coffee machine. Make sure there's beans. Let it rinse a little bit. Using real whole milk today. 1/3 of the cup pitcher. So we want to fry our milk first and then turn off this and let the water come out. We want to fry our milk first before we do the espresso. Just a little bit and then make sure the milk is turning around inside. And then put it in a little bit so it heats up the milk. Texture like a melted ice cream, and then you don't want too much bubbles. You want to shake a little and then get rid of all the bubbles. That's how it looks like. You want to wiggle, get rid of wiggle, and then shake all the bubbles. Let it sit. Then it's time to make your coffee espresso. Actually, you want to clean your steaming one because you don't want it to be nasty. Lighting is the top after that. Then time to make your coffee espresso. 1 shot or 2 shots. I'm gonna add another shot because this looks too small for me. I drink a lot of coffee every day. So. Doing another shot. Here we go. If you want to add creamer, you can add it right now. Just a little bit. It's ready. You don't want to see too much bubble. You want to give it a little shake. Make sure all the bubble goes away or goes down. This turned out like that. I'm gonna put some chocolate and make a flower then. That's how it. Use your pen. Draw it in.